Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful collection of fancy soft silk sarees. The material is light in weight and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. And about the design, beautiful and unique embossed designs are running throughout the body along with contrast or running pallu and blouse with beautiful borders. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. And please note our payment mode is through online only. And if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. We are having separate groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys enjoy the collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.